Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to quickly find all the shared files in a WhatsApp chat on the desktop app after the latest update. If you've ever struggled to look back for a photo, a document, or any kind of file in one of your conversations, this will show you the fastest way to get there, without endless scrolling. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in, and on the home screen where all of your chats are listed. From here, choose the chat that contains the files you want to find and open it. This works the same whether it's a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. Once the chat is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see the contact's name if it's a private chat, or the group name if it's a group conversation. Click on that name. Doing this will open up the contact or group information panel on the right side of the screen. Inside this panel, you'll notice different sections showing options you can explore. Look for the section labeled Files. This is where WhatsApp now collects and organizes all the files that have been shared in this chat, including documents, PDFs, and other attachments. Clicking into this section will give you a clean, organized list of everything that has been exchanged, which makes it far easier than scrolling up through months of conversation history. From here, you can scroll to review all files, open any of them directly, or download them again if necessary. This makes it really convenient when you're looking for that one important document or a file you need to re-access. The feature is designed to save time and keep everything neatly in one place. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, open the app, choose the chat, open the contact info, and head into the Files section. You'll always know exactly where to find what you need. If you found this helpful, take a moment to try it out on your own chats and see how much faster it is to manage your files. No more endless scrolling. Just simple steps for quick access to everything shared.